Welcome to Little Lefty. Hello everyone. Today, let us draw and learn about a rainbow. Rainbows are multicolored arcs that form in the sky and are formed when sunlight shines through the water. As a result, light reflects off the water droplets, bends called refraction and splits. When sunlight shines through the water droplets, it splits into 7 colors. The 7 colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is called a light spectrum. An easy way to remember the colors in order is to use the name Roy G. Biv. The outer color of a rainbow is normally red, and the inner color is normally violet. However, sometimes red rainbows are visible, where you only see red light. This can happen at sunrise or sunset when the sun is on the horizon. Rainbow can be a full circle of light, because you are normally standing on the ground when you look at one. You only see half of it. You don't only see a rainbow after it rains, as rainbows can occur anywhere there's water in the air. Sometimes you may even lucky enough to see a double rainbow. Double rainbows are formed when light reflects twice in the raindrops. The moon can also create rainbows. They are called moonbows. They're just like rainbows made by the sun, but are made by the moon instead. On Earth, we even see fog bows, which is where light reflects and refracts through fog to create a soft rainbow. Hope you learned something.